How to use Google Slides. So basically, if you would like to use Google Slides, it is actually quite simple to do so. Google Slides is usually just used for making presentations. Maybe it is an alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint or other software as such. To make a Google slide, you can simply open your browser and go to slides.google.com where you'll be able to access it. You can choose a pre-made theme first of all. So you can go to the theme section right here. You can choose one of the pre-made theme or the template based on the type of the presentation that you would like, and you could simply select that. Once you've selected a certain theme, you can begin making your presentation. So at the very top you can see the plus icon, which means to basically add a new slide, which is an empty slide, and you can add maybe a text or background or a layout or a transition. But you can also choose to delete that if you want to. You can add some multiple images, you can even add some text depending upon what your slide is all about. Similarly, you can see other options like file, where you'll be able to import some slides, email them directly, download them on your computer, the version history and other options. You can go to edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange, tools, extensions, and other stuffs as such. This way you'll be able to use Google Slides. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.